The problem that I have is that the last testing that he has, he's been unable. Then he missed the sample. On October 6th, I'll accept his admission. Then on October 6th, he's negative. Then on October 6th, he's negative. He just comes back positive for cocaine.
There was issues with his rent. There was issues with his counselor, and he's worked with his counselor. And he also wants to address the court.
Go ahead. Go ahead. What do you want to tell me?
As far as what I can tell you, I had an eviction on my door because I had my son living with me. I got that fixed. After that, I got that fixed October the 7th. I was going through a situation, so I take full accountability for it. So I take the situation that happened, but when it comes down to, I got a bleeding ulcer. So when I called Cheryl, I told her I couldn't make it in because I told her I couldn't make it in because she didn't answer the phone. So I still came in. And I tried to use the bathroom. I got depression, anxiety. I couldn't depress. I waited a whole hour. I waited a whole hour. And she told me I could wait in there. So I waited an hour in there. And I still couldn't use the bathroom because of my respiratory system. Because of my respiratory been going bad, but it's getting better. It's been going bad, but it's getting better. That I've been coming to drop. That I was coming to drop alcohol. I was using alcohol. I've been coming to drop. So my body is getting better. So when I went in on October 15th, I dropped. And like I said, I take full responsibility. Like I said, I take full responsibility for the situation that happened. But I have been clean. Rough patch, a little episode. So I take full accountability. I made a mistake. I went down there.
This is turning into one of those courtroom marathons where every life problem shows up at once. Judges usually want concise answers, but this defendant is giving them an entire autobiography. You can almost feel the judge's patience thinning.
She wanted to stay there for like 4 or 5 days from now. She wanted to take me today, but instead she wanted to take me today, but instead she had to bring me here. She said she's going to put it. She said she's going to put it. She said she's going to get it on her.
Where'd the cocaine come from?
To be honest.
Okay, let's start there. I've been doing.
I want to be honest. Picked up a little weight like Miss Marilyn, my landlord. I just got into a bad spot. But I just got into a bad spot, and I'm just being honest. I just want to be honest. I don't want to lie. I just want to be honest. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. But after that I haven't used. After that I haven't used. Talking to my counselor every day. Down there talking to my counselor. Everything's going swell because everything's going swell. They do, they keep wellness checks at my house because of my wellness checks at my house. But what happened was I got around. What happened was I taking accountability. But I'm taking accountability.
Quick legal insight. Competency hearing isn't about guilt or innocence. It's simply the court deciding if the defendant is mentally fit to understand the case and participate. And trust me, judges take this very seriously.
My counselor's been with me in the house, and I've been staying in the house. She's taking me to community health. Everything's going well. She's been coming up checking on me. She's been coming up checking on me. Well. And everything's been going well. They take me to the grocery store.
If I can, he had 4 negative or 5 negative. He had 4 negative or 5 negative. 4 negative tests. The 2 that you indicated the refusals. 2 that you indicated the refusals. Somewhat explained that he had a missed sample. And then we had he was negative. So there's. And then we had the. Other than the unable or refusing, he is testing negative. There was the most recent test. There was the most recent test. What I'd be asking the court today would be. If he can get another negative in between now and the next court date. A very good indication that he is telling the truth and is telling the truth. He had a bad night. A bad with the positive test, but with the positive test.
I went and told my counselor. I quit drinking alcohol, and because I've been doing everything. Like I said, I've been doing everything good. And Miss Marilyn. After that, And after that, they've been coming to check on me every single day. They've been coming to check on me every single day. And I go downstairs, dominoes, and they read books with dominoes, and they read. I've been doing everything right. And my mom, I've been doing everything right. My mom said dress nice. My mom said be honest to you, because you a good judge. Be honest to you, because you a good judge. Be honest. I don't want to lie. Be honest. I don't want to lie.
Cocaine came from. Know where the cocaine came from.
You hanging out around with people? You hanging out?
I really don't never leave out the house. I really don't never leave out the house. Okay, my brother had a heart attack. Right. Okay, my brother had a heart attack. This ain't about my brother though. My brother ain't about my brother though. So what happened was I ended up catching. So what happened was I ended up on my way to go see him downtown. On my way to go see him. On my way to go see him. On my way to go see him. My brother. Didn't make it to go see my brother because I get downtown like because I get downtown like I get downtown. See some guys I know. I get downtown. See some guys I know. But you know, this the situation to end up. This the situation. My mom called me, tell me get back home. My mom called me, tell me, and I've been in the house ever since. And I've been in the house doing a report. I really don't never come out the house.
This is the moment everything hinges on. The defendant has poured his entire life story out, but judges don't rule on emotion, they rule on compliance. Watch how fast things shift when the judge delivers the decision.
I'll adjourn it out to next week. I'll adjourn it out to next week. So I'll adjourn it out to the 30th. And so I'll adjourn it out to the 30th, 2025. And maybe by that time you can give me a straight answer. I'm not going to take straight answer. I'm not going to hold on to the day. I'll hold on to the violation. Defendant to the violation.
Come back. Come back. Can you grab my? I'll come and see you in custody. I'll come and see you in custody.
Well, no, let me give it back to you. Well, no, let me give it back to you. So I don't know where. Anna.
Oh, Anne's got it.
Anna.
Oh, Anne's got it. Great.